Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. Modern life at times becomes a relentless cycle. Routine weighs us down, joy fades, and sadness, sneaky, finds space to settle in. Our tired body asks for a rest that our mind can't find. It seems like we're trapped in a maze of obligations without seeing a way out. In these moments of discouragement, it's easy to surrender to inertia. After all, getting off the couch seems to require superhuman strength. Leaving the comfort of bed? No way. Laziness disguises itself as tiredness and sadness as exhaustion. But what if I told you there's a way out? A light at the end of the tunnel. What if that light was inside you waiting to be lit? Movement, my friend, is the key that opens the doors of transformation. Moving your body is awakening your soul. It's like rekindling the inner fire that routine insists on extinguishing. It all starts with a decision. A silent decision, almost imperceptible. It's your will whispering deep down, enough, I deserve more. It's in this moment that the spark of change ignites. You decide then to take the first step. Open the window, feel the sun on your face, take a deep breath. At first it seems small, but believe me, this small gesture is a cry of freedom. It's your body and your mind saying, we're ready to start over. This decision doesn't require big plans or fancy equipment. Forget crowded gyms, crazy diets, magical promises of instant weight loss. The secret is to start. Simple as that. Put on some comfortable sneakers, wear light clothing, and go outside. Walk, dance, jump, run. It doesn't matter the activity. The important thing is to move. Let the rhythm of your body guide your steps. The first step is always the hardest. It's a silent battle against inertia, against the voice of laziness that insists on keeping us still. It's a challenge that you can't see, but you can feel in your soul. In this moment, you need courage. Courage to challenge the limits of your body and mind. Courage to break free from inertia and take action. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Thousands of people have been in your shoes, feeling the same fear, the same insecurity. But believe me, the reward is worth it. With each step taken, the feeling of freedom increases. Your body, once heavy and tired, starts to feel lighter, more energetic. Your mind quiets down, negative thoughts dissipate. Over time, exercise stops being an obligation and becomes a pleasure. The sweat dripping down your face becomes synonymous with overcoming. The muscles that once ached now ask for more. It's amazing how movement transforms not only the body, but also the mind and soul. With each step taken, self-esteem increases, confidence strengthens, and the joy of living resurfaces. You look in the mirror and like what you see. Clothes fit better, you have more energy for daily life, your mood improves. But the most important change happens inside you. Physical exercise releases endorphins, a hormone that acts as a natural painkiller, providing a feeling of well-being and happiness. One of the most liberating things about physical exercise is that it doesn't require a specific place or fancy equipment. You can exercise at home, on the street, in the park, on the beach, in the countryside. Dance in your living room, take a walk around the block, run in a park, practice yoga outdoors. The options are endless. The important thing is to find an activity you enjoy, and that fits into your routine. Remember, movement is your ally in achieving a lighter, happier, and healthier life. It doesn't matter the intensity, the duration, or the type of exercise. What really matters is to move. We often associate physical exercise with the pursuit of a perfect body. But believe me, the most important transformation goes far beyond physical appearance. Moving your body is an act of self-love, of caring for your physical and mental health. It's a way of giving thanks for the gift of life, of celebrating the ability to move, to feel the wind on your face, to connect with nature. It's about having more energy to play with your children, to enjoy leisure time, to achieve your dreams. It's about living with more health, energy, and joy. When you exercise, you are saying yes to life. You are choosing to take care of yourself, to strengthen your body and mind. You are letting go of inertia, of laziness, of sadness. It's a vote of confidence in yourself, in your ability to overcome challenges and make your dreams come true. It's a way of giving thanks for the opportunity to live each day with more health, vitality, and joy. So, The next time laziness hits or sadness tries to take over, remember the transformative power of movement. Get up, move, celebrate life. Share this message with your friends, family, with those you love. Let's spread the joy of movement, the energy of overcoming, the power of transformation together.